Greetings, beloved. Greetings. Greetings. Dumela mbaratua. Dumela mbaratua. I just wanted to. I wanted to show you how far we're going with the building. I see people are coming in there. If you are in there, you can just holler to me and just make me aware that you are there. Brother, I want to show you that we are making a huge progress here. You can see behind me, you can see that these walls are coming very nice here. You can see the roof is there. You can see where, I was standing here in the open place. I think it was February. When I was making a live here, it was an open field here. Ruben, shalom, how are you? Greetings. I just wanted to take you guys. Rulani Mukari, bless you. I just want to take you through the work here. Let me just take you into these rooms, because we are in a very advanced stage this side. Yeah, you can see now. Look, the progress is there. You see. Let us come into this room. You see, here we're gonna have a nice children's church here. We're gonna have a nice children's church this side. We're gonna have a nice children's church here. Abutim Shabi, I see you there. Now you can see that we are making a great progress here. Then this side, this is where we're gonna have our reception here. You can see that electrical things are already up there. We are just. This is another room here. You can see. I'm full of shalom. You can see that we are really making progress. Let me go and take you to the bathrooms here if I can be able to access them. Okay. Now this is. You can see here. You can see here, guys, that. What that? All right. You can see, guys, that I'm already inside the building here. Let me take you. This side, you can see that it's a little bit. All right. You can see this side is a bit closed. And also, look at that. So you want some, it's all like a Facebook mono. Here we have designed the disabled bathrooms here, so that the people, if you have a wheelchair, you can be able to come in through here. Now now you can begin to see the wall coming there. Check. It's a huge progress. It's a huge progress that we have made here. It's a huge progress that we have made here. This is going to be the door that goes outside. Let me just go this way and show you this all from this side. You see, this is how the wall looks from the outside here. You see, let us now go in. You see, this wall is going. Yeah. This is a place that is left open, but this is for the stage. This is for the stage because we are waiting for the slabs here to close this. Then we can be able to close this outer side. Now, let me take you to the other side. And you can see this side also. You can see the place is open. The place is open. Remember, this is 80 by 30. It's 80 by 30. It's not a small place. Now you can see now that we are getting there. Let me take you from this outside so that you can see. You see, now here we are. Let me tell you, we have started building a house here. We have started building a house here. Yeah, this is the house that the walls are going up there. This is the house. You see, it's outside the building. It's the house there. Now the guys are busy. The walls are coming up here. Now this house will be having a bathroom here, the office, the bathroom, the shower here, the kitchen, the garage, Then we'll join this house with the church, so that when we move from the bathroom, then we can go straight to the church using the walkway that is covered. Now, as you can see, I want to show you the other side. Now, this is the progress we are making, guys. I think those who have been following, they remember when I started here in February, it was just the grass here. And I stood here and I declared, God is going to fill this place with a building. And now it's only August. And God is already filling this place with buildings, not even a building. Buildings. God is filling this place with buildings, not a building. I want to show you this side. Yeah, you can see now this side. And now let me take you. See that wall, see that wall, see that wall. I've already put our design there. You see, this is where we're going to put our design there. Nice glass bricks. Now look at this side. Look at this side. Look at this side. This will be the entrance to the reception. Now this will be the entrance to the reception. This is our Jojo tank here. They are taking water from the Yeah, you see, love that passage. Look at that passage. Now, these are our Joshua tanks here. They take water from our borehole. You remember we have put a borehole here. We have put a borehole here. Now you can see this side. And I wanted to show you what we're still going to do here inside. We are going to have stairs here. That's going up. We're going to put a slab. And there's going to be an upstairs here. Now, which means there will be another bathroom at the top. There will be an office and a media room at the top. Then when you enter through this door, you will catch the stairs. If you want to go up, you will go through the stairs. If you go down, you will use either door. This is our way to the children's church. And here, they will be able to sit here. And here we're going to have a window here. Now this window, this glass, will allow the people who are in the children's church to see what is happening in the main church. But without us seeing them. But they will be seeing us from this window. When they are sitting here, maybe the parents will put screens here so that they can still enjoy the service from this side. And this side, we're going to have a bookshop here. We're going to have a nice bookshop here. And the reception here. And when you come here, you will be able to sit here. Then if you have to go to the offices, you'll take the stairs going up. We'll take the stairs going up. Now, this is just the work of God, pure God at work here. Pure God, if you have been doubting what God can do, just look at that. Look at that. We're going to put the mat here, we're going to put chairs here, and we're going to put a very big LED screen there, and we're going to put a very nice sound here. And it's going to be powerful. And you can just see for yourself that God is doing this thing. God is doing this thing. God is doing this thing. We are believing God to enter this building in December. We believe God that December we can come here and open this place. By September, end of September, this whole place will be closed. Then we'll be able to put windows and doors. Then we can start working the floor and putting a very quality mat. We're gonna put quality mat here on the floor so that the place will look nice. Then we put a big LED screen that will fill that part. And then you'll be able to enjoy your service. Here we're going to have two main doors here, there, and there is another door here, and there is another door there. Then you can be able to come in, enjoy the service. You see, you have a nice roof here. It's a chroma deck with the heat resistance. It's a very, very, very quality roof. It's a very quality roof. And we're going to put a ceiling that goes exactly like the design of the roof. And we're going to put a nice ceiling and we put the floor. And then we're going to put paving here for parking. And we're going to put paving here for parking, and we put electric fence around here for safety. And then We're gonna put let me show you where we're gonna put the swimming pool. We're going to put a swimming pool here for baptism. I want to show you where we're going to pitch the swimming pool here. We're gonna put a swimming pool just behind the house here. And we'll be able to use this space. You can see the walls of the house are coming also very nice. See the walls of the house. They're coming very nice. You see? This is the walls of the house. This is not the walls of the church. This is the walls of the house. You see? They're coming very nice. Now, here, that's where we're going to put a swimming pool here, just behind the church and the house. This space. We will put a swimming pool here that will be able to baptize people here. You see the house, they started this morning, but check where it is now. It's going so fast. It's going so fast. The target is to finish every building work by September. End of September, we are done with the building. With the building work. Now, guys, I think I was just taking you through the... Yes, sir. I was taking you through this journey so that you can be able to see. I think it's good that I just update you and you see what God is still doing here. Now pray for us. Support us with any way that you can. You can see that we mean business. We are not just talking building, we are building. It's not a talk, we are building. Whenever we get money for building, we put it here. Every cent we put it here. Because that's integrity. When we say you are building and people contribute, that money must be seen. Now, every contribution, this is where it is. You can see it with your eyes. That every cent we can account for is here. Every single cent that we caught, it's here. You see, it's a lot of money here. I think we have spent a lot of money. You can just see for yourself here that we have a couple of millions rent have been used here, and we are not yet finished. We are not yet finished. But thank you guys for supporting me and standing by me, praying for me, any way you supported me. May the Lord bless you and may the Lord keep you. And I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Bless you. Bye.